Well, let's get started. Hola, it's me Didi, and welcome. Today we are doing another special episode of my Halloween-inspired series where I do drag queen makeups on my face. I'm very excited about today because of a couple of reasons. First of all, I'm wearing nails. I'll do a full video about this. I got them done by the incredible May of Nails by May. I mean, just look at them. Can you see? Anyway, my life the past 2 days has been so hard because I can't do nothing. I can't do anything. And they hurt. No one told me this was gonna hurt. Anyway, let's get back to where we were. The reason I'm very excited about today is because I'm doing the makeup of a drag legend. We are doing Detox's iconic reunion look. So it's all black and white. I remember seeing that for the first time. I was gagged. She's a full icon. To be clear, I'm not trying to look like her exactly. I'm just taking her inspiration and putting it on the face of Didi Fuego. Black and white Detox look. Here we go. Okay, so I glued down my brows. I powdered them down, and I also did some color correction on my beard. I went back and forth in my brain about should it be like a white cream or a white water-based paint. I don't know. Listen, I don't know what's gonna happen, but I gotta get cracking. Time for white. So I've done a combo of the Ben Nye Aqua paint, my Aqua colors from Merhon, and also I did a little bit of Clown White. I don't believe any of these things should be combined because cream and then layering water-based paint starts stripping away the paint, but it's the best, it's the best I can do at the moment. So I'm gonna powder this all down and hope for the best. We're gonna contour in black. I wish I had a gray. I don't have a gray. Start with a little bit. So no, I'm not trying to give myself Detox's nose, because that only nature could have given me that. I'm just trying to do my nose in black and white. Right, we're doing the eyes. It's like a black smoky eye. I'm gonna start with the powder right there. I'm gonna go in with the Merhon palette paint and do the darkest black lines. A little more white to the inside of the eyes. Okay, so maybe I should have done this step before the black liner, but whatever. Let's do eyebrows, which I think she was using her own at the time, but I'm gonna paint some on in gray. While the eyes dry, because I made a little mess with the white, I'm gonna go on with the lips. Oh. I feel like I look more like Derek Barry than Detox, and I don't know how to fix that, so I'm just gonna carry on. Her face is very matte. She doesn't have any like shine. So I wish I could add like highlighter or something. Listen, I'm changing the rules. I'm doing things differently and I'm doing whatever I want now. So I'm gonna add some texture to the eyebrows. I feel like I'm pretty much done, and also I gotta go to my show. Let me do the final reveal. Lashes, highlight, wig. Be right back. Yay! This is the final look. So I don't have Detox's exact hair. I don't have a vintage nuclear suit. I don't have her jewelry, but hey, I think we did it. Very spooky. I'm feeling very spooky Halloween-y. I'm excited now. I was in a terrible mood all day, but this really brightened me up. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. Now I've gotta go to my show. As always, running late. Running late, but looking great. Adios. Happy Halloween. Goodbye. Adios. Spooky Halloween.